This is William Wolf from Chittagong Independent University, and I want to give a little more information on flashcards. How can you organize them? In other videos I talked about how to make them. In other videos I talked about how to choose the words, but in this video I want to talk for a few minutes how to organize your flashcards. In the beginning, this will not be a problem. You can make your flashcards and put them together and study them every day. If you have 10 or 20 or 50 or 100 flashcards, you can study all of them every day. But when you get more, 500, 1,000 flashcards, you can't study all of them every day, and you shouldn't study all of them every day. What will happen? When you have many flashcards, you will find out that some words you remember very fast. You learn them today, and then you remember them easily. Some words you cannot remember. You try again and again and again, and you forget. So, which ones should you study more? You should study the words you do not know more. The words you already know, you don't need to study that often. Now, you will learn it's not that easy. There are not only two kinds of words. Words I know, words I don't know. No, there's many different kinds. Some words you will need to see every day. Some words maybe once or twice a week. Maybe some words once a month or once a year. What can you do? My recommendation is you make different groups. So I have a bunch of Bengali flashcards here. You can use your own system. I will show you my system in about 2 or 3 minutes. I don't want to show you first because it looks complicated. If I show you at first, you'll think it's too hard. Here's my recommendation. So if you're learning, let's say, English vocabulary, and you have several hundred words, when you get, and imagine these words you will study today. So you have them in a bundle, and you take them off. Yesterday you looked them up in the dictionary, you learnt them, and now you want to see, do I remember? So you take them and you look, and you can break them into 2 groups. You can look at this, yes, I know this one, okay, yes, I know this word, oh no, this word, no, I don't know. This word, no, I don't. This word, yeah, I think I do. Oh no, I don't. And you can break them into 2 groups, words I remembered and words I did not, and separate them. And the words you remembered, maybe you will see them after 1 week. The words you did not remember, maybe you should see them tomorrow. That's one way. That's an easy way to do this. And when I did this 20 years ago, I started this with Korean, I broke them up into easy and hard. And then when I had more, I had very easy, little hard, very hard. And I did a different system like this. Sometimes people will put them in different bundles. I must see this word after 1 week. I must see this word after 1 month. And what you can do is write the date. So for example, here, with my flashcards, I have BN at the bottom, and that tells me it's Bengali. I have many flashcards for many different languages. BN tells me Bengali, and here it says June 7th, 2013. This means I decided I should see these words at June 7th, 2013. So why? And I put a number 8 here. That means I thought I needed to see these maybe once every week, about every 8 days. That was my guess. So I think this is something you can do. You can break the words up into different groups, and you can write a date on here. When should I see these words next? Now, where does this date come from? Well, this is my system. You don't have to do this, and it might seem a little complicated, and for that reason, I'm a little afraid to show people, but let's imagine this. So these are words, it says BN1, Bengali 1. These could be words I learned yesterday, and the 1 means I learned them yesterday, the first time. I must see them after 1 day. So I write a 1 here. And when I look at them, I will do the same thing. If I remember the word, it will go here. If I don't remember the word, here. No, yes, no, yes. So I have 2 groups. These words I remember, these words I do not remember. The words I do remember, when should I see them next? I learned them yesterday. I reviewed them today, after 1 day. When should I see them next? I would say after 2 days, because I remembered them after 1. So I will write not today's date, not tomorrow's date, but 2 days. I'll write that date on top. And I'll write a number 2, and that tells me I should see that word after 2 days. The words I did not remember, I will put back in number 1, and I have to see those after 1 day. And you can see I have many, many word lists like that. I have, this is Bengali, 2. This means I should see this word after 2 days. Bengali, 4. Bengali, 8. And I know right now you're going to think this is too complicated. That's okay. You don't need to use this exact system. But you should find some way to divide your words up into words you know very well, not so well, a little bit, words you don't remember at all, and then also decide to study them at a certain time. Some people will make plastic boxes, and they will put them into the words. These words I need to learn every day. These words every week. These words every month. These words every 2 months. You can do something like that. But the important thing is for flashcards, have the flashcards, practice them regularly, divide them, and use different amounts of review for different kinds of words. The words you know better, you should review less often. The words you know not as well, you should review more often.